Numpy matrix vector multiplication. When I multiply two numpy arrays of sizes nxn, nx1, I get a matrix of size nxn. Following normal matrix multiplication rules, an nx1 vector is expected, but I simply cannot find any information about how this is done in Python's numpy module. The thing is that I don't want to implement it manually to preserve the speed of the program. Example code is shown below. What I want is
simplest solution. Use numpy ... or a ... b. See the documentation here. This occurs because numpy arrays are not matrices, and the standard operations, plus, work element-wise on arrays. Note that while you can use numpy.matrix, as of early 2021, where will be treated like standard matrix multiplication, numpy.matrix is deprecated and may be removed in future releases. See the note in its documentation, reproduced below. It is no longer recommended to use this class, even for linear algebra. Instead, use regular arrays. The class may be removed in the future. Thanks at Hopking. Other solutions. Also know there are other options. As noted below, if using Python 3.5+ and NumPy v1.10+, the AT operator works as you'd expect. If you want overkill, you can use numpy.einsam. The documentation will give you a flavor for how it works, but honestly, I didn't fully understand how to use it until reading this answer and just playing around with it on my own. As of mid-2016, NumPy 1.10.1, you can try the experimental numpy.matmul, which works like numpy ... with two major exceptions: no scalar multiplication, but it works with stacks of matrices. NumPy.inner functions the same way as numpy ... for matrix vector multiplication but behaves differently for matrix and tensor multiplication. See Wikipedia regarding the differences between the inner product and dot product in general, or see this so answer regarding NumPy's implementations. If you have multiple 2D arrays to dot together, you may consider the np.linealg.multi_dot function, which simplifies the syntax of many nested np dots. Note that this only works with 2D arrays, i.e. not for matrix vector multiplication. Rarer options for edge cases. If you have tensors, arrays of dimension greater than or equal to 1, you can use numpy.tensor. With the optional argument axis equals 1. Don't use numpy ... if you have a matrix of complex numbers, as the matrix will be flattened to a 1D array, then it will try to find the complex conjugate dot product between your flattened matrix and vector, which will fail due to a size mismatch in m versus n.
If you want to see more,